Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Mary and welcome to another Craft Day Wednesday, where every Wednesday I post a new video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I made my hide and seek dolls. This is the front, here's the back, and this is the full body. I can't really put her all on camera because my workspace is limited. So this is what we have here. And what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need a styrofoam ball. You're going to need a stocking from pantyhose or whatever. And you're just going to need the toe, or you could actually use all of it. And you're going to need some footed pajamas. You're going to need an outfit of your choice. You're going to need a hat of any kind. And so I've already started doing these dolls in stages because I have several that I need to make, and my work area is not that big. So I'm just going to be talking about it and putting it together and just showing you how it goes. And we're just going to be doing it in steps because, as I mentioned before, just to sit here and build one of these dolls, it takes me about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So yeah. So we're just going to go ahead and get started, and I'm just going to turn my camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. So right now I have a pair of footed pajamas, and what you're going to do is you're going to stuff your footed pajamas, and I have some pillow fluff here, and I'm not stuffing the whole body of the footed pajamas. I'm just basically showing you what you need to do. So yeah, you're going to basically go ahead and you're going to stuff, just like you see me doing here. And you're going to stuff it all the way to the top. And I'm just grabbing some fluff here, and I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it. I wasn't going to stuff the whole thing, but I might as well. So we're just stuffing. So we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to close this up. And we're going to grab some more fluff. And you're going to continue to stuff. And the arms is what you don't want to put too much stuffing in, because you want them to be able to bend. So I'm not sure how well y'all can see me. Hopefully my lighting is pretty good this time. So y'all let me know how it looks. It looks good on my end while I'm filming, but y'all let me know what it looks like on y'all's end. Okay, so like I said, you don't want too much fluff in the arms because you want to be able to bend them. And I'm just going to add a little more fluff. Okay. And then we're going to zip it up. So once you get your doll all the way stuffed, let's see it here. Once you get it all the way stuffed, like I have it here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your pantyhose and you're going to go ahead and you're just going to pull it over the styrofoam ball. Just like this. And once you do that, once you pull it over the styrofoam ball, you're going to then take your hot glue and you're just going to put your hot glue around it and you're going to attach it. And once you attach it, you're going to go ahead and then you're going to take the collar of the footed pajamas and you're going to hot glue it on there, and you're going to hold it until it's all glued into place. And then at that point, if you want to glue hair on it, that's where you go ahead and glue the hair. So I'm going to take this one away and I'm going to bring this one back. As you can see, I went ahead and got her dressed because you put the outfit of your choice. So once you do that, you want to get them dressed, and then you put the head on, and then you can go ahead and add hair. So what I did was I took some hair that I got from a beauty store, and I just took it and I hot glued the track right on the track, and I hot glued it into place. So basically I just took my hair and I took some hot glue. Let's move this. And I just went ahead and put some hot glue right across this track. And we're just going to go ahead and stick that right on this styrofoam head. Just like this. And be careful because the hot glue is very hot. And that's what we have here. That is the next step. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our hands, and we have them here. So you're just going to take your hands and you're just going to take your hot glue, and you're just going to put some hot glue right in the crease of there, and then you're just going to seal it, and you're going to hold it until it's sealed. And you're going to do the same thing to the other one. So just like this. So we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to put some hot glue right in the middle of it, just like this. And we're going to seal it. So that's what we have. Now, I'm going to slide her down. So what I was saying about hiding the face, we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring this up just like this. And I'm going to put some hot glue down on it. So we're just going to put a layer of hot glue on here. And we're just going to go ahead and stick this just like this. So we're going to put that right down on here just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other one. We're just going to take it and we're just going to put it right on top just like that. So just go ahead and put a little bit of hot glue down the middle just like this. And then we're just going to go ahead and stick that here just like that. And we're just going to hold this here for a minute. Okay, and the last thing we got to do is I'm going to turn her this way so y'all can see. I'm going to turn my camera down or pull it up a little. So now what we're going to do is we have her this way, and we're just going to take our hat and we're just going to stick our hat We're going to put our hat right on top. And I'm going to see how I like it before. And this is what you're going to see. Because you're not going to see the face. So I am going to go ahead now and put a little bit of hot glue on the top. So we're just going to put some hot glue right down in the middle, just like this. And you don't need, like I said, you do not need to put hot glue or hair all the way around her head, because it's actually going to be a waste, because nobody's going to see it. I want to pull that off because I had the hat turned the wrong way. There we go. So we have that in place. And I'm just going to go ahead and this is what you end up with. So this is what we have. Let me see here. There we go. I want to make sure, I need to turn this to make sure it's centered. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is adjusting her hat, and that's it. I didn't want to take a whole lot of time to do this video. I hope y'all were able to understand how I did this. And if not, I'll do another walkthrough. So basically, I took a pair of footed pajamas and I stuffed it with pillow fluff, and you're going to stuff it to the top, and you're going to take your styrofoam head and you're going to put it right on top, and you're going to secure it down with glue. Then you're going to get your doll dressed, or you could do that any step you want. And you do want to make sure that you got your head covered with something. You can even use a sock if it's stretchable to pull over it. You can use whatever. You can even use felt. But you're going to attach it to the head like this. And then you're going to add hair. And this is what, let me pull this up. And this is what it looks like when it's standing in the corner or up against a table or wherever you want to put it. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to slide this back. Here's the other one. Here's one that we did earlier. This is what she looked like from the back. And here's the one we just did now. And the only thing that I have left to do is to put shoes on her. I have to go find some that will fit, but this is the only thing that's left to do. And yeah, they're pretty easy. They're just time consuming. But if you have time to do one, it could be fun. So yeah. That is it for this video. I hope this helped someone. Like I mentioned, I did one of these last year, but it was the infant or newborn, whichever one you prefer to call it, where it was in like newborn or premature clothes. And you do it the exact same way. There's only difference is this doll don't stand in a corner. And it can actually be played with. So, yeah, if you want to see me do any other type of video, please let me know in a comment box below. And with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch my video, and I hope y'all have a nice day. Bye.